We Fix Leaky Chimneys is one of our major services. People call us when they're leaking around the fireplace. There's a number of different places that fireplaces can leak. They can leak at the very top, or can even actually be condensation problems within the chimney flue. We've been servicing fireplace chimneys probably about 40 years, and I'd say about more than half of that we've been fixing leaky chimneys. You'll normally see some stains on the ceiling, a little drip here and there. You know what? That problem doesn't go away. We offer a unique service which is two-man job. We'll actually put the man up in the attic with a walkie-talkie or a cell phone, and he's talking to another guy out on the rooftop. We're introducing water into the lowest point around the flashing and working it all the way up the top to see if we can figure where the opening is. It's not only just around the flashing, it could be higher. It could be a vent stack, it could be a shingle damage cut, a lot of different places. We have some great resources and we'll be more than happy to help you solve your water problem. Now, a lot of people have called roofers, and roofers do a great job on the shingles, but a lot of them don't realize what's going on with the condensation and the corbelling slopes and masonry outside. The reason I think you should call American Chimney is because we've been one of the forefront runners in Cincinnati about solving leaky chimney problems. There's a lot of different ways to do it, but we try to solve problems, offer you the very best options as far as caps, water repellents, and different ways of repairing it with masonry, mortar, materials, things like that. If you have a water problem, give us a call here at American Chimney. I guarantee you, they just don't go away.